Uh-oh. You're going to run him over? Oh no, don't run him over. Luca, he's under the car.
What?
He's under the car. You've run him over.
Okay, funny. More.
I've got a little challenge for you.
Oh, challenge?
Yeah, challenge.
Wow.
It's going to be in your car.
Oh, wow, no.
Come on then. You have to drive all the way through the path. Do you think you can?
Okay.
Come on, you've got to go all the way to the end. So bye, dinosaur. Do you want to collect him?
Yeah.
Get him then and put him in your car with you.
Okay, bye.
You can get the other one.
One dinosaur.
Are they both going to fit in your car?
Yeah.
Okay. You've got to get all the way to the end and then you can get the other dinosaur.
Okay.
Put him on the front.
Okay.
You've got to get all the way to the end without crashing. Okay. Uh-oh. You're going to run him over? Oh no, don't run him over. Luca, he's under the car.
What?
He's under the car. You've run him over.
Okay, funny.
It's not funny. You've got to get him. Yay!
Hold it, maybe? I've got girl one. I've got girl one. I got other one. Let's go, Chris. The T-Rex.
But you have to get all the way back now through the obstacle course with the dinosaurs while driving your car. Do you think you can do it? Do you think you can do it, Luca?
Oh no, look!
I'll get him.
It's too
Put
big.
him on the front.
Too big.
You saved the dinosaurs!